Hi there. In this series, we're going to talk about budgeting. So, step one in budgeting is that you start with a spreadsheet. Yeah, I know people don't like to do spreadsheets, but you've got to have a spreadsheet of your current money, whether that's your bank account, your savings account, mutual funds, investment account, whatever that may be, is called your cash book. That's step one. You've got to create a cash book. You can create a template if you wish, because what you need to know, what you must know, is what is your money today. What is your balance on your bank accounts, your savings accounts, whatever sort of thing. We'll get to the actual budgeting projections in a minute or two, but for the time being, you've got to create the cash book. Then you want to update it daily, preferably, but certainly weekly. And you've got to get into the habit of continually updating. Hope that helps. Brought to you by the Olderhood Group, Bermuda.